pay a premium and if something happens, I pay the claim. But we always believe that insurance could be a solution for risk management and risk mitigation. That's a more value creating role for insurance, and that's something that corporates would value much more than just saying that I'm your risk transfer partner. So that's a journey that we started back in 2014, and part of the journey we started the Indian Risk Management Award to recognize and reward individual corporates who take the lead in risk management. Our feeling was that in India you see awards for business, you see award for leadership, you see awards for financial performance, but you never had an award for good risk management strategy. So that was the thought process behind the Indian Risk Management Awards, which we will have today in the evening. But after a few years of that Risk Management Award, one of the response that we were getting from corporates was, yes, risk management is important. We all understand that, and I think the point that she made, last 3 years have really taught us that lesson, across the world. But the feedback that we were getting was that, while risk management is important, how do we quantify, what we're doing? Is there some way to figure out or build an index that tells us where we stand within the industry or across industries? Now, this is not easy because risk is not just the type of risk that we cover. If you look at a business, there's multiple risks that you have to look at. And maybe there are models and indices that looks at credit risk, there are models and indices that looks at operational risk, but at least we didn't see across the world too many comprehensive risk index that we felt could be useful to look at overall business risk. And we were really delighted that Frost and Sullivan, when we spoke to them, they had a concept that we jointly evolved, and then we worked together to launch this index. This is the third year. Mr. Zuchi will talk about the findings. I'll not get into that, that's his domain. But we are really happy to partner with them and provide this tool for Indian corporates. The launch of the index or the results of the study this year is not the end in itself. I think the whole focus for us is that how do we help Indian corporates with these inputs become even better in their risk management approach. That's the thought process. But as always, there's the way to start it is to launch the index. That's what we're here for. And from ICICI Lombard's side, let me again welcome all of you. Thank you for joining us, and look forward to having a nice session.